Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common household mystery. Why is your thermostat blinking? If you're like most people, that little blinking light can be confusing and even a bit alarming. I'm here to break it down for you in simple terms, so you can get your home comfort back on track. Let's dive right in. First off, thermostats blink for a variety of reasons, and it's often not as scary as it seems. In 2025, with smart home tech being more advanced than ever, your thermostat might be trying to tell you something important. One of the most common causes is a low battery. If your thermostat is battery-powered, a blinking light could signal that it's time for a replacement. This is especially true for older models, but even some smart ones like those from Nest or Ecobee use this as a warning. Another possibility is an error code or a connectivity issue. If you have a Wi-Fi-enabled thermostat, it might be blinking because it's lost connection to your home network or the manufacturer's app. This could happen due to a power outage, router problems, or even interference from other devices. Additionally, if your thermostat is detecting an issue with your HVAC system, like a dirty filter, overheating, or a sensor malfunction, it might blink to alert you. So, what can you do about it? Start by checking the basics. Open up your thermostat and replace the batteries if needed. That's usually a quick fix. Next, ensure your device is properly connected to Wi-Fi. Restart your router and reconnect the thermostat through its app. If it's a smart model, check for any software updates, as manufacturers release patches regularly in 2025 to improve performance. If the blinking persists, consult your thermostat's manual for specific error codes or reach out to a professional HVAC technician. Remember, ignoring these signals could lead to bigger problems, like inefficient heating or cooling, which might hike up your energy bills. In summary, a blinking thermostat is often just a heads-up for maintenance. By staying proactive, you can keep your home running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more home tech tips. See you next time.